Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain about tree traversing techniques by using divide and conquer method. So, so first we'll see what is tree traversal and what are the different tree traversals are available. So then we'll go through how divide and conquer method it can be applicable for tree traversing techniques. So simply your divide and conquer method will say we can take a problem and we can divide that problem into subproblems of the same, right? So then we can solve the subproblems individually, and after that you can combine and you can give the solution for your main problem. So that is your divide and conquer method will say. So here tree traversing is nothing but, so tree is nothing but it's a collection of nodes and edges, right? So these are the circle shaped whatever it is available, and that is said to be a nodes, and the nodes are connected with the lines that is said to be edges. So now for tree traversing is nothing but we are going to travel each and every node of a tree only once, right? So now you have a number of nodes in your tree, that may be of any tree, like you can take binary tree, binary search tree, or else you can take APL tree, whatever the trees it will be. So then you are trying to visit each and every node only once, so that is said to be tree traversal. So the way how you are travel, that will gives you a different types of tree traversing techniques. So those will be, the first one is a pre-order, and second one is post-order, and third one is in order. No, right. So these are three different tree traversing techniques is there. So what your pre-order will say is, so now you have in this tree this will be your root, and this part is said to be left subtree, right? So this part is said to be a left subtree, and this part is said to be a right subtree, right? So this is your right subtree. So what your pre-order will say is, you can travel always your route first, right? You can travel always your route first, and then left subtree followed by right subtree. And this can be applicable for your tree, right? So you can take your subtree, again you have to travel their route first and then subtree left part and then right part. You can follow the same thing for all levels of trees. So whereas your post order, it will say you have to travel your left subtree first and then right subtree. At last you can travel your route. Whereas your in order, it will say you must travel left subtree first, then root, then right subtree. So for remembrance, I'll give you one simple trick. See, suppose if you have an expression a plus 3, a plus b, right? So now these two will be represented with nodes. Simply you can take a and b, and these two is connected with like this. So this is root, and this is left, and this is right. So in order is simply is nothing but a plus b, pre-order is nothing but plus ab, and post order is nothing but ab plus. Right? See, I already said this is root, this is left, and this is right. So what your in order will say, you can travel left and then root and then right. So what is your pre-order will say, you can travel root and then left and then right. So what is your post order will say, you can travel left followed by right and then root. Right? So for remembrance, you just take like this. So now try to travel this particular tree by using these three different types of traversing techniques. That is pre-order, in-order and post-order. So now we'll see in detail. So how you are going to travel this particular tree in pre-order first. Right? So first of all, we are going to take in pre-order. So what your pre-order will say? In your pre-order, always you can travel your route first. Then you can go with your left subtree and then you can go with your right subtree. So here this is your tree. So this is an example is given for you. So in this, so this is your tree. So in this tree, this is your root. Right? So this is your root and this will be your left and this will be your right part. So as per your algorithm, it will say in pre-order you can travel your route first. So what is route here? A. So first you can travel A. Then come to the left side. So again you are finding this is a tree, right? So when you have a tree, again you can follow the same rule. So what is that rule? So in that again you are going to travel route first. So what will be the route? B. So now I am travel B. So now I am completed with my route. Again I come to the left part. So this is my again subtree, right? So this is again a subtree. So in this subtree again I am going to search for the root. So this is a root. So I am going to travel D. And after that I am searching for the left subtree. So here there is no left subtree. So what next I am going to travel? So I am going to travel the right part. So because of that, after D, I am going to travel G. Right? After D, I am going to travel G. So we already travel G, D and B. So now route is completed, left part is completed. Now going to the right part of this subtree. Right? So in this level, route is completed. Right? And then your left part is completed. Now you are going to search for the right part. So this is your right part, right? So you have to travel E next. So now you can find out that this route completed. Now you are step up to the previous. Then your route completed. Your entire left part is completed. Now you are going to search for the right part. So again this will be another subtree. So again for the subtree, again you are going to travel route first, then left, then right. So this is your route. So after E you are going to travel C. Right, and after that you are finding this is your left node because this is not a subtree again because we have only a single node. So this is your left node, so you can travel that also. And after that you are trying to find the right part because here there is no right part, you just stop there traversing. See, this is your answer: A, B, D, G, E, C and F. So this is pre-order. Right, so now we are moving with the next thing is in order. See here in this. So what your in order will say? So according to your in order, you have to travel your left part first, right, and then root, and then right. So remember this. So now I'll start with this tree. Right, so I start with this tree. This is my route. So now I didn't travel this because I want to travel left part first. So I'll come to this part. So this is my left subtree. So I come to this part. So here again I can apply the same rule, right? So first of all I need to travel left before I need to travel this root part. So for this subtree again this is root. Right, this is root. So for that reason I didn't travel directly B. So I just moved to the left side. So again we are finding this is another subtree. Right? So this is one subtree. Again you come down and this is, you are finding this is another subtree. So from this subtree we have to travel left first. So there is no left. There is no left. So we are not traveling. So after left what we are going to travel? Root. So because of that reason in order, so first you travel D and then left completed, root completed, then you are going to travel the right part. So that is G. So now this subtree part is completed. So this subtree part is completed. So now you can go through this part because we are left with this part, right? So now left part is completed. So now you have to travel the route. So because of that, I'm traveling B here, and after that I'm traveling E because that is right to me. Right? Because that is right to B. Okay. So now we are traveling this entire left part. So now it is time to travel your route. So simply you can travel your route, that is A. And after that, so your left part is completed, route is completed, and what you are going to see, the right part. So in this right part again you can apply the same rule, that is you are going to travel left first, then route, then right. So for that reason, after A you are going to travel F, and then you are going to travel C. See what your in order will say: D, G, B, E, A, F and C. So this is in order, right? So now we'll see what is post order, right? So now the next one is post order. So what your post order will say? So according to your post order, you are travel your left part first, then you can followed by the right part. At last you are going to travel your route. So you can take this rule for traversing your tree in a post order. So now see, I start with this and here it is my route. So I didn't travel my route first. So I'm going to my left part. So this is my left part, right? So this is my left part. So in that left part again B is a route. So I didn't travel. Again I come to the left part. Now this part is my left part. So in that again D is my route. So I didn't travel this. So I try to find the left. There is no left. So what I'm going to travel G first because that is my right. So there is no left here, and after that I'm going to travel right part, and then I'm going to travel my route at this level. So now this part is completed. So now we are finding this part is completed. So you have lefted with this part. So this part of your left subtree is lefted. So now you're going to travel. Left part is completed. So before you're going to travel this route, you have to travel E first. So because of that, I travel E first, then B. Because my left part completed, right part completed, I need to travel my route. So then this entire subtree is completed on its left side. So now I move on to the next step. So here it is my route. This is my main route. So I didn't travel this. So because my left part completed and after that I need to travel my right part. So this is my right part. Again for that I can use the same rule. Like I can travel left first, then my right, then my route. So here my left is F. So I'll travel F. And I'm trying to find right, but there is no right node is there. So I move to route. So in this level my route is C. So this subpart is also completed. So as on now we see that the entire left subtree is completed, the entire right subtree is completed. So now it's time to travel your route. So that is A. So by this, whenever you are going to travel this tree with post order, you are getting an order G, D, E, B, F, C and A. So these are different tree traversing techniques and the way how you are applying your divide and conquer method. So for solving this particular problem. So this is your algorithm. So these algorithms will say in pre-ordered traversals, you can travel your route that is visited before your left and right subtrees. Right? So your in-order traversal will say you can travel route after visiting left and before visiting the right. And your post traversal will say, post order travel will say, you can visit the route after the left and right subtrees are visited. I